What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks, 1 minute, something like that. We got the Yeezy Butter, man. And why did they name them Butter? Who likes butter that much? But for real though, these is like not that clean. They're yellow, they're neon, they're orange, I don't know what these are. But I'm not that much of a fan. I only got 5 pairs, so they more limited than they should be, because I should have got about 77, but then times 2 equals 54, something like that. But yeah, Yeezy Butter, I mean, everybody knows what a V2 looks like, so it's really just, everybody only cares about numbers and how much they're gonna sell for, because everybody's just trying to resell, and these are going for very cheap. So I hope you were able to cop for yourself. But this is my size, so I'm gonna keep them for a little bit, and I'm gonna keep them DS in case I need to sell if the price goes up. So, but yeah, hope you copped. Yeezy, something like that.